The Rainbow Mountains of China, nestled within the Zhangye National Landform Geological Park, are a breathtaking geological wonder. These majestic peaks are renowned worldwide for their striking, otherworldly hues, vivid streaks of reds, yellows, greens, and blues that seem as if an artist's brush painted a rainbow across their rolling slopes. This natural marvel prompts an intriguing question. How did these rainbow mountains come to be adorned with such extraordinary colors? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the geological and mineralogical processes behind this spectacle. Located in Gansu Province, in China's northwest, the Zhangye National Park spans over 200 square miles. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2009, it has since become a bucket list destination for travelers from around the globe. The story of the Rainbow Mountains begins millions of years ago. These vibrant peaks are composed of Cretaceous sandstones and siltstones, laid down long before the towering Himalayan mountains even existed. During deposition, layers of sand and silt mixed with iron and trace minerals, setting the stage for the kaleidoscope of colors we marvel at today. Around 55 million years ago, the Indian Plate collided with the Eurasian Plate. This monumental geological event, comparable to the collision of two cars crumpling their bumpers, folded and fractured the once flat sandstone layers. The result? The uplift of the Rainbow Mountains and the exposure of sedimentary rocks that had long been hidden beneath the Earth's surface. Over time, weathering and erosion stripped away the upper layers, revealing the vivid formations we see today. So, how did these mountains acquire their brilliant hues? The answer lies beneath the surface. Groundwater, rich in minerals, seeped through the sandstone layers, depositing trace elements between the grains. Over time, this process cemented the grains together, creating the vibrant colors we now associate with the Rainbow Mountains. The dominant hue is a deep red, a result of iron oxide, commonly known as hematite, coating and binding the sandstone grains. This process is akin to how iron left exposed to rain develops a reddish layer of rust. The variations in color arise from different minerals. Yellow and brown tones come from oxidized limonite or goethite, black streaks result from magnetite, green shades are often due to chlorite or iron silicate clays, and metallic yellows appear when iron sulfide interacts with sulfur. Together, these minerals create a dazzling palette that turns the mountains into a natural masterpiece. The beauty of the Rainbow Mountains is not confined to China. Similar processes occur worldwide, albeit on a smaller scale. The next time you're outdoors, take a moment to observe the rocks around you. If you spot one with a reddish tint, chances are you're looking at an iron oxide-stained sandstone, a miniature version of what's seen in Zhangye National. The Rainbow Mountains are a testament to the power and beauty of Earth's natural processes. Their vivid colors, shaped by millions of years of geological activity, continue to inspire awe and curiosity. Let their story remind us of the artistry hidden in the very fabric of our planet. We are committed to providing you with the most adventurous videos. Please like, comment on, and subscribe to our channel.